Good morning, this is your math task for today, and we are doing some subtracting. At the top of the page, you can see a method which you can try to use too. So let's read the question. How much has been cut off each piece of wood? So it's telling us how much is here now in centimeters. This is the part that was cut off that we don't have anymore. And here it tells us what the length was before some was cut off. So 4 meters is the same as 400 centimeters. So what we have to do is plus from 363 to 400. So we've gone to, okay, how can we get 3 up to the next 10? I think number bonds plus 7, 3 and 7 make 10, so that's now 370. Number bonds again, what are you gonna plus to 7 to make the next 100? So again, it's 3 and 7 going together. So 70 and 30 make the next 100. So that's 300 plus the 100, 400. Finally, you count the jumps, 7 here, 30 here, to make 37. Don't forget to write the units at the end because we are using a measurement for these questions. And it's the same for all of them. So you start with the number on the piece of wood, so here it's 126, and you are going up to the number here. Don't forget to add 2 zeros to the number in meters, because 100 meters is the same, sorry, no, it's not. 100 centimeters is the same as 1 meter. So here we're going to go 126 up to 200. So what would we plus with 6 to make the next 10? 6 and 4 go together, so that's 130, jump of 4. 130, what do you need to plus to get to 200? It's the same as that one, it's a 7, so it's 70. So that's 70 plus 4, plus them together, and you've got an answer. Here you're going 284. How many do you need to plus to get to 3 meters? Okay. Now this one's a little bit different because these ones all finish with a nice, easy round number. This time it's a little bit harder because we've got to go up to a more random number. But we're going to do the same thing. So as you can see in the example, up to the next 10. Okay, and this time 130 is nice and easy, and they've just kind of done it in their head to go, okay, what, 3 and 6 to make the 9 in the units, 2 and 0 to make the 2 there. Okay, and that's the answer, plus those jumps together. You can make those jumps as many as you want. You can do it in just 1 or 2 jumps if that's easy, whatever you want to do to make it work for you, depending on how easy the numbers are for you. That doesn't matter as long as you remember to plus all those jumps together at the end. Any questions, you can